Good morning children. Hope you all are fine. നമ്മൾ മാത്സ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് കുറേ ദിവസമായി. In our previous videos, you learned how to find the area and perimeter of rectangles and area of and perimeter of compound shapes and area of the shaded region. Okay. Today we are going to learn how to find the volume of cuboids. Volume of the cuboid is the total space occupied by the cuboid. ഒരു ക്യൂബോയിഡിന് ഒരു സ്പേസിൽ എത്ര സ്ഥലം വേണം, that is its volume. Okay. We can find the volume of a cuboid using the formula length into width into height. Length into width into height. The cuboid is a 3D shape. So it has 3 dimensions, that is length, width and height. If we multiply length, width and height, we will get the volume of a cuboid. We also measure the volume in cubic units. Cubic units. Okay, that is, if the sides of a cuboid are measured in millimeters, then the volume will be in cubic millimeter. If the sides are in centimeter, then the volume will be in cubic centimeter. If the sides are measured in meters, then the volume will be in cubic meters. Okay. മില്ലിമീറ്റേഴ്സിലാണ് മെഷേഴ്സ് തന്നിരിക്കുന്നതെങ്കിൽ വോള്യത്തിൻ്റെ യൂണിറ്റ് ക്യൂബിക് മില്ലിമീറ്റർ ഓർ മില്ലിമീറ്റർ ക്യൂബ്. If the given measures are in centimeter, then the volume is in cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. If the given measures are in meters, then the volume will be in cubic meters or meter cube. Okay. Let me explain how to find the volume of the given cuboids. Children, here the length, width and height of a cuboid are given. We have to find its volume. Okay. Length is equal to 7 centimeter. Width is equal to 4 centimeter. And height is equal to 2 centimeter. So volume is equal to length into width into height. L is for length, W is for width and H is for height. 7 into 4 into 2. 56 centimeter cube. Because the given measures are in centimeter. So the unit for finding volume is centimeter cube. Okay. Next question. The length 5 centimeter, width 6 centimeter and height 3 centimeter. So volume is equal to L into W into H, 5 into 6 into 3. Okay. 90 centimeter cube. Okay. Here children, the table shows the length, width and height of 4 cuboids. Length 5 centimeter, width 12 millimeter and height 6 millimeter. We have to find the volume in millimeter cube. Children, if the units of length, width and height are different, then we need to convert them into same unit first and then find the volume. Okay. Here the length is in centimeter but width and height are in millimeter. So we have to change it into same unit. So first change length into millimeter. Here length is equal to 5 centimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 5 centimeters equal to 5 into 10, 50 millimeter. Now find the volume. Length into, that is 50 into 12 into 6. 50 into 12 into 6, which is equal to 3600 millimeter cube. Millimeter cube means millimeter into millimeter into millimeter. 3 times millimeter ne nammal multiply cheyyunnundu. Okay, so the unit is millimeter cube. Now in second question, 2 units, that is length and width, are in centimeter and height is in millimeter. So first you change height into centimeter. 4 millimeter is equal to 4 divided by 10, 0.4 centimeter. To change millimeter into centimeter, you should divide by 10. So 0.4 centimeter. Okay, now we have to find the volume. Volume is equal to length 12 into 8 into 0.4, which is equal to 38.4 centimeter cube. Okay, 38.4 centimeter cube. In third question, 2 units, that is length and width, are in meter and height is in centimeter. We have to find the volume in meter cube. Meter cube. Length 8 meter, width 6 meter, height 90 centimeter. 90 centimeter. First you change centimeter into meter. So 90 divided by 100, 0.90 meter. Okay, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 100 centimeter. So to change centimeter into meter, we have to divide by 100. Now find the volume, that is 8 into 6 into 0.9, which is equal to 43.2 meter cube. Meter cube. Okay. Now in fourth question, length and width are, length is in meter and width and height are in centimeter. So first you change the length into centimeter, 1.2 into 100. To change meter into centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. So 120 centimeter. Now find the volume. 120 into 60 into 25. Okay. So children, in this figure, a cube is given. Its measures are in centimeter. Here the length, width and height are 1 centimeter, because in a cube all measures are equal. Length, width and height are equal. So its volume is equal to 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter cube. Okay. We can say that the volume of this cube is 1 cubic centimeter. 1 cubic centimeter. Because its length, width and height are 1 centimeter. Okay. So children, volume of a cuboid is the total space occupied by the cuboid. To find the volume of a cuboid, we have to multiply the length, width and height. If the units of length, width and height are different, then we need to convert them into same unit first. That is very important, and then find the volume. Okay. Hope you all understood this. If you have any doubt about this topic, please send me a message. Thank you, children.